In this Slate Byte, we'll be walking through using an import to update an existing pledge on our record. When importing pledge updates, it is recommended to have one row per pledge in your file. For this import, our example file will include additional information from our legacy system about the pledge we already imported. It is important to include in your file matching information to the record in the database that has the pledge you want to update. In our example file, we'll be matching to that record via the Slate reference ID. When matching to an existing pledge in the database, there are three options: the pledge external ID, the pledge Slate GUID, and the pledge identity. The pledge external ID is a unique for matching pledge scoped field that is typically used to store a legacy ID or some other unique ID that has been imported from another system. The pledge Slate GUID is a 36-character GUID created by Slate when the pledge is created in the database. Each GUID is unique to each individual pledge. The pledge identity is another unique value created by Slate when the pledge is created in the database and is unique to each individual pledge. In our file, we have the legacy ID of the pledge in our other system. For that reason, we're going to map that destination to the pledge external ID, which stores that legacy ID on the pledge that was created in the database. One of the updates we want to do for our pledge is to link it to an existing opportunity. To do that, there are two options: the pledge opportunity external ID, which typically houses the opportunity's legacy ID, and the pledge opportunity identity, which is that Slate unique field for the opportunity. In this case, we're going to use the pledge opportunity external ID. Another update we want to do to the existing pledge is indicate if it is revocable or not. In our file, we have a column that has a value of irrevocable or revocable. We're going to map that to our pledge revocable destination. With our destinations mapped, head over to the prompt value mappings. There, refresh the values and map any unmapped values. With our destinations mapped and our import processed, let's take a look at our work. As you can see, we've updated our opportunity to the capital campaign solicitation, and we've also updated the revocable to irrevocable. And that is an example of using an import to update an existing pledge. I hope you found this video helpful, and smash that like button. Thank you.